Hey everyone, I'm back again, OP1, with another video. Today we have a treat. I borrowed this from a friend of mine. Today we'll be doing a quick look of the Guardian Tactical OTF 040. The Recon 040 with Elmax steel, stonewash finish. Here's the box. Nice simple box, made in the USA. So here it is, the Guardian Tactical, on loan from a friend of mine. This one he got from BladeHQ. The mat behind it is also from BladeHQ. This one's the glow in the dark. So let's take a look. Installment. Limited lifetime warranty. And there she is. Nice design. Top switch. There's a nice curve to it. Nice cutout here for your thumb. There's a clasp breaker in the back. Finger grooves on the bottom. Fit and finish is excellent. I don't know if you can see that. I don't even feel the edges right there. The other side. The pocket clip. There you go. It's not a deep carry pocket clip, but it is reversible. Put it on the other side. There's the glass breaker. Of course, the front. So with this one, I won't be opening it because it's just on loan. We'll be cutting some stuff with it. Some rope. Easy. Nylon rope. Some boxes. See that? Let me pull out a little bit here. There we go. Very sharp. Of course, you can get it out of track. See how powerful? It's not that powerful, but just to demonstrate. There we go. You do get it out of track. That's how you can disassemble it, clean it inside if you want. But if this ever gets out of track, and so far, I've been using it, it hasn't gotten out of track unless I do that on purpose. You just pull it forward, it'll re-engage, and there you go. First, we'll try with some small twigs here. Easy. There you go. Very sharp. Once again, the action on this thing is super smooth and it comes out with authority. Very convenient when your other hand is holding something and you need to cut something and you can't let that item go and you only have one hand to use. Bam, cut, put it away. On loan from a friend of mine, Guardian Tactical 040 OTF.